Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech App, and today we are going to do a performance test on the HP EliteDesk 800G1 tower, if it can handle Windows 10 without any problem. So in here it says it's using the Intel Pentium G3240 with 2 cores and 2 threads. According to the instructions here, the MMXSSE2, I'm not really sure if this processor is good for gaming, because in modern case, most processors use the SSE, AVX, FMA and Neon, which makes them very good in gaming. So the Intel Pentium G3240 is a budget-friendly dual-core processor designed primarily for basic desktop applications and office systems. One of the main purposes of the Pentium G3240 is for basic computing tasks. This processor is also energy efficient and it also has an integrated graphics card. So here it is using the LE1711 HP monitor on Intel HD graphics at 60 Hz. So this PC is using 4 gigs of DDR3 and is running at a frequency of 665. So because of DDR, which stands for dual data rate, we are going to times the RAM frequency by 2, which will give us 1330. Let's go ahead and look at the boot time. I waited for the icons to appear before stopping the timer. So it took the PC 1 minute 38 seconds to boot up. This can be fixed by replacing the hard drive with a solid state drive. Now let's benchmark the CPU using Cinebench. So after the benchmark, the points were 1092, which makes it far better than my Intel Pentium 5700 with points of 802. Now let's go to the favorite part, gaming. So make sure you tighten your seatbelt because we are about to take off.
Give a like to the video if you find this video useful. And do consider hitting that subscribe button. See you guys on the next video.
To like and subscribe for more interesting topics on Derek's Tech Hub.